Find or read reviews that people are talking about binary B-260-ARC audio return extender. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Binary B-260-ARC audio return extender for HDMI, ARC and S/PDIF, extends audio up to 150 meters via duct Cat 5e or above, simple setup with a single DIP switch. Ideal for custom audio installations. The binary B-260-ARC is a true problem solver. This simple TX plus RX solution delivers audio content from a remote TV back to a centrally located amplifier and brings the flexibility of using HDMI ARC or S/PDIF, ideal for supporting the Sonos Amp. The B-260-ARC offers a simple setup with a single switch and multiple power solutions. Key features. Extends audio up to 150 meters via duct Cat 5e or above. Supports HDMI, ARC and S/PDIF for flexible audio solutions. Simple setup with a single DIP switch. Compatible with Sonos Amp for easy integration. Multiple power options, HDMI, USB, or 110 volt. Ideal for custom audio installations. Transmits audio from remote TV to central amplifier. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.